Did you know the IWI Negev NG7, a light machine gun used by the Indian Army, can fire bullets at a speed of 915 mph, which is almost 3 times the speed of sound? This powerhouse originates from Israel and has been adopted by the Indian Army, adding formidable strength to its arsenal. With its impressive muzzle velocity and other advanced features, it stands as a symbol of the modern battlefield. In the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the technical specifications and features of this impressive machine gun. The IWI Negev NG7 is a powerhouse of features and specifications. Let's delve into what makes it a formidable firearm. Firstly, let's talk about muzzle velocity. The NG7 boasts a staggering muzzle velocity of 915 meters per second, or 3,000 feet per second if you prefer. This is an impressive speed, giving the firearm an edge in accuracy and penetration. Next, we come to the effective firing range. The NG7 offers a variable effective firing range from 300 to 1,000 meters with sight adjustments. This makes it incredibly versatile, capable of delivering precise shots at various distances depending on the situation. But what about its maximum firing range? The NG7 doesn't disappoint here either. With a maximum firing range of 1,200 meters or 1,300 yards, this firearm ensures that no target is out of reach. Now, let's shift our focus to the feed system. The NG7 uses a 100 and a 125 round disintegrating M13 NATO ammunition belt system. This means that it has a high ammunition capacity, reducing the need for frequent reloading and allowing for sustained fire. And of course, we can't forget the sights. The NG7 is equipped with an aperture with an elevation drum, an adjustable front post, and folding tritium night sights. These features ensure accurate targeting in various light conditions, but it doesn't stop there. The NG7 also has a Picatinny rail for attaching various optical sights, adding to its versatility. Now let's talk about the ammo. The NG7 is chambered in 7.62x51 ME NATO. This is a powerful and widely used ammunition type, ensuring that the NG7 packs a serious punch. With such impressive specs, it's no wonder the IWI Negev NG7 is a trusted firearm of the Indian Army. Beyond the technical specs, the IWI Negev NG7 boasts several key features that make it a superior choice on the battlefield. Let's start with its reliability. The IWI Negev NG7 is designed to perform in all conditions, from the scorching heat of the desert to the chilling cold of the mountains. This machine gun can withstand harsh environments without compromising its performance, making it a dependable ally when it matters the most. Next, there's the NG7's durability. It's a robust and rugged firearm, built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can take a beating and still function flawlessly, providing soldiers with the confidence they need when facing the enemy. Ease of use is another standout feature. The IWI Negev NG7 is designed with the user in mind. Its controls are intuitive, and the gun is balanced and comfortable to handle. This ease of use can significantly reduce training time and increase overall efficiency. Perhaps one of the most notable features of the NG7 is its versatility in ammunition feeding. This machine gun has the unique ability to use both 100 and 125 round disintegrating M13 NATO ammunition belts and standard magazines. This flexibility allows for quick and easy reloading under high-stress combat situations, providing a critical advantage when seconds count. These features not only make the IWI Negev NG7 efficient and reliable, but also provide a strategic advantage on the battlefield. The IWI Negev NG7, a remarkable firearm, is a testament to superior engineering and design. It stands out with its impressive muzzle velocity of 915 meters per second and an effective firing range between 300 and 1,000 meters with sight adjustments. Its maximum firing range reaches up to 1,200 meters, a truly commendable reach. The Negev NG7 is equipped with 100 and 125 round disintegrating M30 NATO ammunition belts, ensuring a steady and reliable feed system. As for its sights, the firearm sports an aperture with elevation drum, adjustable front post, folding tritium night sights, and a Picatinny rail for various optical sights. Chambered in the powerful 62 by 51 mm NATO, its key features and advantages are a testament to the firearm's superior design and engineering. That's the IWI Negev NG7 for you, a beast on the battlefield and a trusted ally of the Indian Army.